Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to install Line on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, go to App Store and then tap search and search for Line, and then tap get, double click to install, and wait until install Line on your iPhone. After downloading Line, tap open, then tap sign up to create a new account online. Now select your country and tap continue with Apple. Tap continue and tap continue with passcode. Write your passcode here. Now write your name and select a picture of your profile. You can open the camera, or you can select a picture from your gallery. Give allow full access and select this one. Then tap next, then done, then next. Well, now create a new password, then re-enter the password here. Then tap this icon, then tap allow, and congratulations, as you can see here, we have created successfully account on Line. Now you can easily add friends. For example, if you want to add someone, tap add friends, and you can search on it here by number ID or phone number, or you can invite them, tap invite, and you can invite them by text or email or WhatsApp. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and see you to the next video.